Speaking of shiny, look at that forehead. Whoa. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to play around with some makeup. We haven't just chatted about makeup in a minute, so I thought we could just, play around. And specifically I want to talk about glitter. I want to talk about my favorite glitter products, to cheeks, to body, to lips, to everything. I just want to talk about glitter. So stay tuned for that, but first I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button. It's over here for sure. Hit that subscribe button. We have a lot of fun over here on my channel doing fashion, beauty, vlogs, lifestyle, whatever you're in the mood for, we got here. So hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up. Both of those things would really help me out, and I'd really appreciate it. So let's start talking about that shiny, shiny glitter. The first product I want to talk about is Fenty's Diamond Balm. It is a face and body highlight. It's different than her other highlighter formulas. It's like putty almost. It's soft and malleable. Let me swatch it for you guys. It is just pure. There's no base color to it, and it's literally just glitter, silver and white glitters basically. Do you see how that's just so pretty? You can put that on your face, on your cheeks, on your body, whatever you're in the mood for. I always get compliments when I'm wearing this because it's so icy, it's so sparkly, and it just makes you look wet. It's incredible. Love this, would recommend, always. Okay, next product is maybe my favorite in this entire video. It is the Lemonhead Los Angeles glitters. So these are putty glitters. They're suspended in a jelly, and I am obsessed with them. They have the funnest colors. They're eye safe, and once you put it on your skin and they dry, they do not budge, and they're so easy to work with comparatively to a loose glitter, because you don't have to use a glitter glue, you don't have to use anything. They just do everything on their own. All you need is literally your finger to apply it, and it looks incredible. So this is the green one. This is the neon green one. So sick. This one's called Palms, and this is one of their UV collections. So if I were to have, I don't have a UV light, but it glows in UV. If you saw my Copying Allure magazine's makeup looks, I use this blue one in there, and it is so cool. I really, really love these. I think everyone should own at least one of these if you like glitter, because it's just the best thing ever. It's so easy to use, so user-friendly, not messy at all, and it looks so good. Literally just patting it on your eye with your finger. It is just so good. So I'll just stay on eyes while we're on the topic. So I do not use loose glitter because it just gets everywhere. It's hard to use. You have to use a glitter glue with it. They're just the worst. I don't use them, but instead I use pressed glitters. So these are from ColourPop. This whole palette was 20 bucks or something like that. Super affordable, and some really, really awesome colors in here. That pink in there is just stunning. And because these are pressed, they don't need a glitter glue. You can just what color do we want to try? Let's do this blue. Rub your finger on it and pack it on. Ignore the remnants of the green, but there's that blue. Really, really good color payoff. And there are so many different colored glitters in this glitter. It has purple reflex, green reflex, orange reflex. It is so pretty. They did an awesome job with these colors. I know ColourPop is always changing their pressed shadows, so just go check out what glitter colors they have in their pressed formula, see if you like any of them, and I would definitely recommend picking them up because you can pick them up as singles as well for $4 or something like that. Yeah, I just really, really love these. Look at all those color shifts in there. That is so pretty. The next product I'm going to talk about, you guys have probably already heard of. They have blown up. They're some of beauty influencers' favorite products on the market, and these are the Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadows, and they blew up for a reason. They are awesome. It comes in a little tube like this, and you pull the applicator out, and it's a little doe foot applicator like a lip gloss would be. I'm swatching with my left hand, so if it's horrible, please don't judge me. But you just swipe it on, and look at that. So pigmented and so shiny. And that copper color is gorgeous. These come in like all different shades. I have a bunch of neutrals and some iridescent ones. I actually found a pack of neutrals at TJ Maxx, and I think they do have some specials on them right now because it is Christmas time. So they sell like little value packs of the mini ones, but yes, these are awesome. Let's do lips now. So my favorite glittery lip products, I don't really use a lot of glittery lip products except for lip gloss. I love a good sparkly gloss. So my two favorite sparkly glosses are the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. This one is in the shade Diamond Milk, but any of the colors in the Gloss Bomb are awesome. Love, 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 love. And they smell like lip smackers. They are so good. And then my other favorite glitter lip gloss, whatever, is Patrick Ta's Major Glow Lip Shine. He just has like gorge nude colors, and they just look like so juicy on your lips. They smell good. They smell minty. Oh, so good. Let me swatch both of these for you. Okay, so this one's Fenty and this one's Patrick Ta. Both so pretty, so glossy. I love both. Let's talk about body glow now. So I have two body glitters that I really, really like. Again, Patrick Ta, he's back. And then Jeffree Star, his Liquid Frost. So both of these kind of have two different outcomes. Patrick Ta gives you more of like a glow and a sheen, and Jeffree Star's Liquid Frost gives you more glitter. But it looks really, really awesome when the light hits you. So maybe I'll do one of each. So this is the Liquid Frost. Just gonna put a little there. And here's Patrick Ta over here. This one smells good. I don't even know what it smells like, but it's just amazing. Okay, so here is the Patrick Ta side. I'm having trouble showing you guys. And then here is the Jeffree side. You can really see that glitter. And over here, it's more of like a shine. So that's just more up to preference, whether you want to be more like glowy luminous or like sparkly fun, you know what I mean? I like both. I love doing off the shoulder tops like this and wearing a highlight. Patrick Ta says that if you like, I can't remember the exact quote, but basically if you have a shiny cheek, why shouldn't your shoulder be shiny? Like, why would you be shining up here but not shining right there? You know what I mean? So not exact quote again, but something like that. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed all of these glitter talks. Let me know if you've tried any of these products, or let me know what your favorite glitter product is in the comments. I thought this video was just appropriate for this time of the year because everyone loves a good glitter moment around the holidays, including myself. But that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay on fleek, friends. Bye.